So dear students, with this session we are almost going to end short chunks of chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership. In last lecture we completed the exercise. There were 11 questions, but as I told you, still one particular question left, that is illustration 3. So it's easy. It's based on the things which we already did in past. But one of the most important thing is, if you do not have that conceptual clarity, in that case, may be possible you get confused and you leave lines, you leave particular page for the answer. એક વખત જે આન્સર માટે આપણે પેજ છોડી દઈએ છીએ, normally it will not repeat. Means again આપણી પાસે બોર્ડમાં એવો ટાઈમ હોતો નથી that we can go there and solve the question. So let's solve this question. To find divisible profit on the basis of manager's commission. Now here it may be possible it is manager's commission, or it may be possible some partner's commission. Here the word manager is not important. Important is amount of commission is given, and on that basis we have to find divisible profit and then to distribute it. Okay? It is illustration 3, which is given on page 16. Let's first of all go through the question. The P&L ratio of Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj is 6:2:3. Manager has received his commission of 6,600 at 10% after deduction of such commission from profit. P&L ratio is 6:2:3, and manager is receiving 10% commission, rupees 6,600. Ascertain distribution of profit among the partners. Okay, let's continue. First of all, as usual, P&L ratio. That is 6:2:3. Total 11. Manager's commission that is rupees 6,600, and rate of commission that is how much? 10%. Is that clear? Good. Now, first of all, we have to find out divisible profit. To find divisible, again see, try to remember, for commission we did two methods. One, when total profit is given, that is a special method. Second, when partner's profit, individual profit is given. Here also individual data is given. So if individual data is given, we are supposed to find divisible profit by normal method. And the normal method is, normally what we are writing, we used to have this formula: commission equals to profit into rate upon 100. Now here we are already having 6,600. Profit into 10 upon 100. Very, very simple. 6,600 into, you can cancel this or you can do like this, 100 upon 10 equals to profit. Is that clear? So finally, profit equals to 66,000. Okay, just go through this formula. It's very easy. 100 obviously 10 upon 100 is there, equals to सामने side क्या है? As per the mathematical rule becomes reverse. Even you can do like this, you can cancel this. In that case, obviously over here 6,600 into 10 only, that comes to 66,000. That also you can do. Okay, at present we are keeping this particular thing as usual, but you can cancel it also. Is there any problem? Now, distribution of profit. Obviously, that P&L ratio. The partner's name. What are the partner's name? It's clearly given in the question. It is Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj. Do remember it in chronological order. Okay? So Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj. Jayesh share equals to, that's very, very simple, our profit 66,000 into his share 6 upon 11, 11 6 obviously 66,000, so that is 36,000. Suresh again 66,000 into his share 2 upon 11, so that is 12,000, and 66,000 into 3 upon 11 comes to 18,000 overall total. Is there any problem? It's really very simple, but the most important thing is, if we solve the exercise only, and if they ask this question, if we solve the exercise only, we knew that very well. All methods, all 11 questions can say, okay, if they are going to ask with the same name or with the same amount, we know the answer also very well. But the problem is, the similar, same 100% similar question is not given in the exercise. So what we did, sir was saying that in board, majority of the case they are asking question from textbook. And this is a question which is not given in the textbook. We used to normally blame our tutors or system. See, if you blame anyone, what we personally believe does not make any difference. Obviously, you have to lose the marks. So instead of blaming someone, try to see within. આપણે બધું 100% ક્લિયર કર્યું છે. Throughout the year, રેગ્યુલર સ્ટડી આપણે કર્યું છે? If yes, then and then we have the right to say something to someone else. But when we are involved, naturally we cannot blame any third party. Is it okay? So that's why we, the tutors, strongly believe that we must solve each and everything in a proper way. And that's why all the remaining illustrations, I told you to do it by your own. But illustration 3, I left for myself. Because it's actually on the basis of cognition, but still, if any student fail to understand by his or her own way, it is our moral duty to explain them in a systematic way. Clear? Illustration 3, we do not have any kind of question in practice in textbook. So do take care. You must revise the question and clear your concept. Very quickly, P&L ratio 6:3 is already given in the question. So total comes to 11. Manager's commission again, the amount is given 6,600. Rate of commission is given 10%. First step, that is divisible profit we have to find. Normal method, commission equals to profit into rate upon 100. So 6,600 into profit into 10 by 100. As I say, you can cancel also. If you don't, then it will be like this: 6,600 into 100 by 10. So the profit comes to 66,000. This profit is divisible because we are finding this. Then divisible profit must be distributed properly. So Jayesh share, Jayesh first partner, that is Jayesh share. Then Suresh share and Pankaj share. Jayesh share, that is 66,000. P&L ratio simple: 6 by 11, 66 2 by 11 and 3 by 11 comes to 36, 12 and 18. As I told you previously once, twice, thrice, that if you write in this pattern, you can do the total and you can match with this to have the confidence that you are perfectly right. Clear? That's good. So just go through the method again, and for the last time I am saying, we do not have any question in exercise of the similar pattern. So revise once, twice, 4 times, 5 times the same question. Okay? Go through it. Now onwards, we are going to start long questions of this chapter, which will be very much useful in the remaining chapters of part 1 for partnership. Okay? Just go through it properly.